Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brands. I'm also obsessed with Boxycharm. This is my Boxycharm Base Box for October. Alright beauties, if you are unfamiliar with the OG Base Box Boxycharm, this is a $25 monthly makeup and beauty subscription box where you receive 5 full-size products ranging from makeup, hair, skin, nails, etc. And you're supposed to have a value of at least $125. And I always say that I definitely feel like you get your bang for your buck with the Boxycharm. $25 for $125 worth of product I think is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to tell you right now, she's a little short, little chunky thing, and she's heavy. Kind of remind me of me. We're going to dive in. Our theme is Boxycharm Spellbound. I'm going to hide the back because I do not want to see what I have in my box. And then I'm going to turn this your way and get super close so that you can see my version. We're going to set that out of the way, and we're going to dive in. Oh, okay. I see some good stuff. On top, we have the Hanalei. I use their lip balms, and I love them. I think they're fantastic. This is the Hanalei Matte Bronzer in the shade, I don't know, so let's look. Oh, I love that packaging. It just says matte bronzer, you guys. I like that the packaging is bronzer colored, I guess. Oh, very nice. Okay. That is what the shade looks like. I think because I definitely have obviously enough, as much as I would love to try this, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my pay it forward pile for you guys. Next up, we have a House Laboratories Aphrodite Glam Attack All Over Liquid Shimmer Powder. That is what the outer packaging looks like. I've not tried anything at all from House Labs. I do not believe. That packaging is gorgeous. Holy crap. It reminds me of Lunar Beauty meets Dragon Beauty, maybe. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. I am also, just because these are not my favorite types of products and I try not to be wasteful, I'm going to put this in my pay it forward pile as well. Next is a Laura Geller. Oh my god, OG brand. You guys, I've used Laura Geller literally for like 15 plus years. Actually longer than that. A very long time. QVCO. Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. Hydrate, moisturize, and replenish. Yes, please. Now this, I can definitely get on board with. Y'all know that I'm all about anything that is hydrating, so we will read up on this. I'm definitely keeping that. Next up is a Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Ultimate Glow and Brightening Highlighting Serum. This sounds absolutely amazing as well, and right up my alley as well. I do want to open it. It is actually sealed, so give me just a second. Okay. I bet it has beautiful packaging. Glow Recipe has some stunning packaging, you guys. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. Like, their stuff is just like, their stuff is display worthy, in my opinion. Oh, that... Is there a pump? Hold on, guys. I believe I'm dumb. Yes, there is a pump. Okay, so be careful and don't like screw it too hard, I guess, at first. So it does have a pump to it. I do want to see what the texture is like. Okay, very gel-like. Very, very thin, very water-like. I do want to smell it. Oh, that smells amazing. That definitely smells like their Watermelon Glow like serum and spray that I do have. I'm very excited to test this out. Oh, that smells so nice. It smells like a Watermelon Jolly Rancher, y'all, and that just takes me back. Okay, I know I'm old. I know I'm old, y'all, but damn, it takes me back. And then last but not least is Julep Beauty. My son and I used to swear by, he still uses it, but the Julep exfoliating stick, fantastic, especially if you have acne prone skin. Teenagers, you will love it. But this is Julep Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes. It says what's in it. Pore refining witch hazel, cleansing, 100% biodegradable. Oh, and there's 60 towelettes in here. That is a lot of freaking towelettes, you guys. It says naturally effective ingredients, glycerin, olive oil, and witch hazel. I'm excited to test these out. I know these are not super friendly for the environment, so I do like that they're biodegradable. Okay, so let's get our card and let's read up, and then I will give you my final thoughts. But we have our Glow recipe, our Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This highlighting, skincare, and makeup hybrid visibly brightens the skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping to reduce hyperpigmentation. Yes, please, and thank you. The niacinamide infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Use as a hydrating, highlighting serum before moisturizer or as the last step of your routine. This is a full size, of course, as is everything, and it is $34. Right here, we have the price of admission. I absolutely think already, just off of this, that this box is worth my $25. Next up is our Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer in Hydrate. So I'm assuming if the keyword is hydrate, I'm assuming they have more. If you got this, let me know. And did you get Hydrate as well? This says, farewell dry, flaky skin. Quench your skin's thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer and save time on your beauty regimen. Featuring a blend of hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and antioxidant botanical ingredients. This nourishing formula brightens and replenishes skin for a healthier complexion. Create a smooth canvas for improved foundation wear and keep your face feeling fresh all day. And it is $32. I think that is fair. It is quite a large size. It is 2 fluid ounces. Next up is our Hanalei Beauty Company Matte Bronzer. Glow like a Hawaiian goddess with a cruelty-free natural matte bronzer. This long-wearing powder gives you that sun-kissed look, fresh from a day at the beach. The unique formula applies smoothly. Apply with a brush to define cheekbones and enhance your natural beauty. This is a new brand to Boxycharm, which I love, and it is $25. Then we had our House Laboratories, the Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder. House the power of your own creativity with this versatile, multifaceted shimmer liquid eyeshadow. This weightless, smudge-proof, liquid-to-powder formula is easily layered and blended so your eyes always have the spotlight. Building up creaseless pigment intensity is simple, so you can dial it up or dial it down, and that is $20. And then last but not least, we have our Julep Makeup Remover Towelettes. Simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. Swipe the cloth across skin to gently remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara. That's a heavy claim, y'all, without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. You guys, y'all, if you use a makeup remover, please wash your face. Please. This is to add to the cleansing process to help take your makeup off. Please always go in with a cleanser. Okay. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne-prone skin. 100% biodegradable, and these are $20, and they are a new launch for Julep. That is awesome, you guys. I will, of course, add everything up. That puts our total right here. I have not taken pictures of this look yet. Let me do that, and then I will insert right here while I'm running my damn mouth. I'll insert right here me using the Julep Makeup Remover wipes. And then I'll kind of put a thumbs up, thumbs down, depending on how abrasive they are. That's a huge thing for me. And then how wet they are. I don't want them super, super saturated, but I don't want them dry as hell. One size. Yeah, I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.